Is your refrigerator not cooling, making strange noises, or constantly running without getting cold? The problem could be the compressor. The compressor is the central component of your refrigerator. It circulates refrigerant through the system to keep everything at the right temperature. Over time, it can fail due to electrical issues, overheating, refrigerant leaks, or simply wear and tear. Welcome back to HnKParts. In this video, we'll walk you through how to replace a refrigerator compressor safely and correctly. The compressor is usually located at the back of the unit, near the bottom, behind a protective panel. If you hear clicking sounds, notice overheating, or the fridge isn't cooling even though the fan is running, these are strong signs of compressor failure. Before starting, always unplug the refrigerator to ensure safety. Move the unit away from the wall and remove the lower rear access panel to expose the compressor. Next, disconnect the electrical components, including the start relay and overload protector. Now, carefully detach the refrigerant lines. Keep in mind, this is a sealed system, so proper tools and certification are required. If you're not equipped, it's best to consult a professional. Once disconnected, remove the mounting bolts and take out the faulty compressor. Position the new compressor in place and secure it firmly. Reconnect the refrigerant lines, restore all electrical connections, and reinstall the back panel. After reassembly, plug the refrigerator back in and monitor its performance. Listen for smooth operation and allow a few hours to confirm proper cooling. Replacing a faulty compressor can restore your refrigerator's performance and extend its lifespan. Visit HnKParts.com for high-quality replacement compressors with fast shipping across the USA. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media for more helpful repair tips. Thanks for watching.